Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. So today our topic is percentages. So percentages means per cent. Per cent means 100. Per 100. That's all we have to know. So we will see few problems. That is, in this first question it is given as 20% of 400 plus 30% of 100. So this is very basic question. That is, percent means 20 by 100. Wherever you see this percent symbol, we will divide it by 100 into 400 plus 30 by 100 into 100. 100 fours. So 80 plus 30, that is 110. Okay. So in the second question it is given as 2 is what percent of 50. So we don't know. Let it be 2 is equal to x percentage of 50. So we have to find the x. 2 is equal to percent means divided by 100 into 50. So x is equal to 200 by 50. That is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 means 2 is 4% of 50. Or else if you don't want to do this type, so if you want any formula like if A is what percent of B. If in the question it is they have given like if A is what percent of B, then we can directly do by this formula, that is A by B into 100. So in this question they have given 2 is what percent of 50, so that is equal to 2 by 50 into 100, that is equal to 4. So either you can do this by method or you can use formula, that is A by B into 100. Okay. So in this third question it is given as 1 by 2 is what percent of 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 is equal to, we don't know, let it be x percent of 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is equal to x by 100 into 1 by 3. X is equal to 300 by 2, that is 150. So x is equal to 150. So 1 by 2 is 150% of 1 by 3. Okay. So in this fourth question it is given as what percent of 6.5 liters is 130 ml. So we don't know, let it be x. So x percent of 6.5 liters is equal to 130 ml. So here 6.5 is in liters and 130 is in ml. So convert 6.5 also in ml. So percent means x by 100 into 6.5. So while converting into ml, we will multiply by 1000. That is equal to 130 ml. 10 times 65, x is equal to 130. X is equal to 130 by 65. That is 2. X is equal to 2. So 2% of 6.5 liters is 130 ml. Okay. So in this fifth question it is given as if the sales tax be reduced from 1 by 2% to 1 by 3%, then what difference does it make to a person who purchased on an article of rupees 4,800? So they are asking then what difference. So difference is equal to 1 by 2% of 4,800 minus 1 by 3% of 4,800, that is equal to 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 percent means by 100 into 4,800 minus 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10 by 3 percent is there, 1 by 100 into 4,800, that is equal to, take common 1 by 100 into 4,800, 7 by 2 minus 10 by 3. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, so 48 into 2 3s 6 and 2 3s 3 7s 21 minus 3 2s 2 10s 20. That is equal to 48 into 1 by 6, so 6 8. That is equal to 8 rupees. So what difference does it make to a person who purchased an article of 4,800? That will be 8 rupees. Okay. So in this sixth question it is given as 65% of a number is 30 less than 4/5 of that number. What is that number? Let the number be x. So 65% of a number means 65 by 100 into x is that equal to 30 less than 4/5 of that number, means 4 by 5 into x, 30 less than, so minus 30. So understand the question and write the equation correctly. 30 is equal to 4x by 5 minus 65 by 100 into x. So take 100 as LCM, 520, so 20 into 4, 80x minus 65x is equal to 10. So 30 into 100, 80 minus 65, 15x. So x is equal to 30 into 100, 3000 by 15. 15 to 200. So the unknown number is 200. So for these type of questions, we have to understand the question and write down the equation correctly. So then we can solve the problem very easily. Okay. So in the 7th question, it is given as difference of two numbers is 1600, and if 7.5% of one number is 12.5% of other number, find the two numbers. Let the numbers be x comma y. So difference of two numbers is 1600. So x minus y is equal to 1600. Let it be equation 1. And in the second point they are given if 7.5% of one number is 12.5% of other number. So 7.5% of one number, that is x, is 12.5% of other number y. So 7.5 by 100 into x is equal to 12.5%, 12.5 by 100 into y. So x by y is equal to 12.5 by 7.5. So 2.53 and 2.55. So x by y is equal to 5 by 3. So x is equal to 5y by 3. Let it be equation 2. So we got equation 1 as x minus y is equal to 1600. So from equation 2, x is equal to 5y by 3. So 5y by 3 minus y is equal to 1600. So take 3 as LCM. 5y minus 3y is equal to 1600. So 2y is equal to 1600 into 3. So 2 800. So y is equal to 83. So we got one number as 2400. So they are asking two numbers. So substitute y in 1. So x minus 2400 is equal to 1600. So x is equal to 2400 plus 1600. So x is 4000. So we got one number as 4000 and other number as 2400. Okay. I will discuss more problems related to percentage in upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.